There are only 3 ways to inspect a car at Copart before you buy it. Each one gives you a little more information, and if I had done the third one, I would have found out why this car was at the sale. First one you can do with a broker. The other 2, you need to be a Copart member. The first thing you need to do is to be a super sleuth, and you need to zoom in on every picture, and I mean a lot, and look at every detail. Look for rust, look for mold, look for rips, look for tears, look for bolts that are missing. Look. If it's a car you're pretty serious about bidding on, you need to get the VIN report. If you're using a broker or if you're using Copart, they all have VIN reports available on the website. You need to use one. I don't care if it says clean title. Go out and look for any brand records that are listed on the VIN. The goal here is to not believe anything. You want to do all of your own research. You could absolutely just stop right there, and I 100% have. But let's say that you're bidding on something relatively expensive and you want a little more assurance. Copart itself offers something called a condition report. Now, a condition report is going to give you more things. It's going to give you more videos of it driving, of it running, an up close of the engine, and an up close of the interior, and a 360 view around the exterior. Additionally, they're going to put in some more information. They're going to measure the tread depth of the tires and a few other ancillary things. Extremely affordable. They are $35. Requires you to have the Copart basic membership. It's a $99 membership. I know we all hate paying fees. I hate paying fees myself. Looks decent. I've never found bags of stinky trash. Rained last night. Came to check on the car. Found out why it smells bad. It's a puddle. The third way is to actually go there. Now, this does require that Copart license, but again, they're only $99 for a year, and I'd much rather spend the $99 than buy the wrong car. They're going to ask for your Copart member number, and they're going to ask the lot number. Now, you cannot go look at a vehicle until it is scheduled for sale, and the other thing you need to know is you cannot go look at a vehicle the day of the sale. Wear your high-vis safety vest, ask for the jump pack, because it's going to be dead. They will not let you bring in any tools or diagnostic equipment. I would be a liar if I said that this $50 OBD2 scanner that connects to my phone didn't happen to end up in my pocket sometimes when I walked in. If you want to buy cars from Copart and you're not a dealer, I'll link up a video explaining the whole process of how to use a broker. Thanks for watching.